India is facing a heartbreaking health crisis. Children are dying after consuming contaminated cough syrups. Toxic chemicals like diethylene glycol, which is used in industrial products, not medicine, were found in some popular syrups. This chemical causes severe kidney damage, can be a fatal. A dozen children have lost their life in the state like Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The government has taken a swift action, banning the syrups and launching criminal investigation against the manufacturers. The strategy highlights a serious gap in the drug safety and oversight. It's a reminder for all parents, always be conscious with medicine and consult doctor carefully. The hope is now for stricter regulation and better quality checks, so no more lives are lost on unsafety medicines. Stay safe and spread the word.